So this is part two of the brand activity planner. So I'm working on Stephen's tab. Now, Stephen has got his own planner which collects the information on demo kitchen, LG tasting, and food hall. So if I actually open it with the link here, you can actually go straight into it. So I was thinking, there's no point of having him inputting the data twice because that will be very irritating. So for whatever he put in these three tabs, so I'm just going to do testing one here, spelling like this, and then I'll go to here, LG LG1, and then I will go to food hall, food one. So if you type into here, I think it's actually much better for it to be collected in his um this tab, so that is less work for him. That's what I'm thinking. And of course, he can actually override the actual writing and put his own words. That will break the link on this particular cell. I just make it a bit bigger. I will just undo that. Again, if any text that is written once in this column, if you use the drop down, you can actually reselect it. And once you reselect it, you'll break the link with the demo kitchen spreadsheet. And of course, you got the meeting. So I will just put down food meeting, and then if you put the um, hash, it will actually pick up your message before food meeting. If you remove the dash, it's not going to be included in the listing. That way you can control what is going to be collected here. And again, the data can be collected each day, like so, but the weekly one will only collect the unique quality of the entire week. That way it will just like be a summary of what is happening in this week. Yeah. I'm quite pleased with this so far because it means less work for him really. Because like for example, the Swan company, it actually comes in a few hours. Oh, I can't find it now. Yeah, it comes in a few hours, 5 hours. But I'm actually just collecting just uh collect it once, if you know what I mean. Um, so I'm actually quite pleased with that result, really. So I'm just going to undo what I have done. Uh, if you have any comments, please tell me. Then I can actually upgrade it or update it. But I think what I will do is every tab I have about four different um, events that they can enter as a standard, and then we'll see how it goes. Thank you very much. Goodbye.